Hi, in this video, I'm going to take apart the IKEA Kallsup speaker. If you haven't seen my previous video where I disassemble and review it, it's worth checking out. First, let's listen to how it sounded. To start the disassembly, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. I removed the screws located under the two rear feet of the device. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, I pry open the back panel along the seam. You can clearly see that it is lined all around with vibration-dampening material. In addition, there are reinforcing structures inside. After that, the battery and the amplifier can be easily removed. Disconnecting the speaker wire can be a bit challenging. I used pliers for that. After removing the 3 screws holding the speaker, it can be taken out. Here you can see the housing of the device. There is also sealing material around the cap. Here is the amplifier connected to the battery. You can find a capacitor on it, the USB-C connector, and the 2 buttons. The battery can be easily popped out of its casing. And here is the speaker itself, a 4-ohm, 3-watt unit. Its cable is carefully insulated. For testing, I reassembled the amplifier in this exposed state and tried it out. This device is a carefully assembled piece of hardware. Don't forget to check out my previous video if you haven't already.